welcome back to my channel. If you like this look and you want to know how I achieved this look, please continue to watch. Okay, you guys, so I used yarn, yes, yarn, to do my locks in the color medium time. Okay, so I first measured and prepped my yarn by using my TV, which is about 25-30 inches, which is about around the length that I'm going for. Prepping your yarn right before you start the process makes the process go along much faster, you guys. Okay, so now that you've got a good amount of yarn to work with, I'm going to go ahead and locate that knot that you created. Once you locate the knot, that's where you're cut to make sure your yarn is nice and even. Okay, now that we have our yarn prepped, we're going to start the lock process. Just for tutorial purposes, I went on ahead and took down one of my locks, and I'm going to go ahead and take 5 pieces of string to create my braid. Please note that how many strings you use does determine the thickness of your lock. So if you want thicker locks, use more string. If you want thinner locks, use less string. Okay, and just like braiding hair, you're going to prep your string as if you're going to create box braids. And creating a box braid is exactly what we're doing right now. Now that your box braid has been created, making sure that it's nice and secure, we're going to go ahead and start with the lock. We're going to take 2 strings, and then we're going to start wrapping it around the braid. Also, just to warn you guys, if you plan on doing these locks, make sure you have a lot of time on your hands. These locks literally took me 3 days to do, including an all-nighter. The braiding part itself was literally the easiest part. It took me only about 6 hours to do, but the wrapping part itself literally took me 2 days. So again, make sure you have some time on your hands before you start on your locks. Also, another tip, you guys, if you plan on doing these locks, you want to make sure that you wrap the yarn tightly around the braid and make sure that the yarn is pushed closely together. Once you get towards the end, you'll see that those two strings start to shorten out. So you'll want to put those two strings with the rest of the group, grab two more long pieces of string, then continue wrapping.
Purchase your tracks today.
So once you reach your desired length, you're going to go ahead and take one of those strings, wrap it around the lock, and create a knot. Once your knot is secure, you're going to cut off that excess, and once you have cut off that excess, you're going to burn the ends for security. After that, you're done, honey. You have successfully created your first lock. Thank y'all again so much for watching. This has been my yarn locks video. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you're new, and I will see y'all in the next video.